and the winds will be building. We could see some gusts later tonight of 35 miles an hour. So don't be surprised if you hear that in the middle of the night. Then tomorrow, sunny. But you look outside, it looks great. Then you walk outside and you go, wow, it's awful windy out here, isn't it? Northwest 15 to 30 and the occasional gusts up to around 40 miles an hour. But it will be warmer tomorrow, 56 to 60 degrees. That's why I say it looks nice until you step out into it. The skies clearing away tonight. We'll have the clear skies in here all day tomorrow. It looks like just sunshine. We start off on the chilly side. These are the temperatures at 7 a.m. Warms up nicely, though, as we head through the afternoon, but that northwesterly wind will be persistent all day long. Finally, tomorrow night, that wind will be backing off. So here's what happens. You see how the winds tomorrow morning, and this is going to be one of those where with elevation, you're probably going to get stronger winds. So I think the strongest winds will be off to the northwest. We'll keep those winds strong during the daylight hours, and then as we head towards evening, they'll start to back off and they'll settle down. So it's really just a breezy day for us for tomorrow. There'll probably be no wind advisories or anything like that. It's just not that strong, but it will be breezy out there. That's the storm system that gave us the rain. It's offshore, giving us the windy conditions. Here comes some mild air moving in here. Now we get into a really unsettled pattern. There's little systems that are kind of sitting out here to the west. They try to work their way through. They give us a few scattered showers, but most of us will probably stay dry. But I put it into the forecast just to kind of give you a heads up more than anything else. But let me break it down for you and show you what happens. Tomorrow it's windy and 58 degrees. Tuesday looks like the pick of the week. Upper 60s and sunshine and not much wind. Then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You notice I've got spot showers in there. This is not 3 days of rain. In fact, it's more than likely 3 days of partly cloudy skies. But there might be a spot shower here or there. If you're fortunate enough and we could use the rain, you'll get one. But most of us, as I mentioned, probably won't. It'll be the warmest on Wednesday and then slowly cooling down toward the end of the week. By next weekend, we finally get that system cleared out of here and we'll see temperatures about where they're supposed to be this time of year, which is right around 60 degrees.